welcome to my channel, Inspired Birdie. I have another Dollar Tree haul for you guys today, and I didn't get too many items. I spent about $20, and items retail for $1.25 at my Dollar Tree, but I thought I would share with you guys the items that I got. I may or may not loop this onto another haul that I'm going to do next week. I am not sure yet. If not, then it's going to be a short video, but I wanted to share with you. So my purpose for going was to find some more fall decor, such as this adorable pumpkin that I did show you in another haul that I did. I ended up going ahead and picking it up. So beautiful. It is made of ceramic, so it is quite heavy, and I just love the detail of it. Also loving these new fall candles that the Dollar Tree came out with. I can't even say, I just love these so much. Look at how beautiful they are. All of the detail. Look at how lovely that is. And they have a bunch of them, and they all say different things. So this one says, leaves falling, autumn calling. And then this one over here says, hello autumn. And they do smell pretty good. They're very low scent, so if you have any kind of allergy to like strong scents, it's a very, very low scent. It almost has like a vanilla scent. I'm not sure if that's what they were meaning to go for, but that's what I get from it. So here are the details. The Rose Collection, New York. Yeah, it says vanilla. I didn't even notice that, but it says vanilla chai. Well, I'm glad that I think it smells like vanilla and I didn't even look at the label. So that's a good thing. So picked up those two candles to go with my decor. So excited about them. I may and may not get some more. I think this one's my favorite. I love the detail of the leaves on this one, but they're both adorable. All right, so some more fall items that I grabbed. Sorry for the shadow, guys. I am recording in a different area today. I did pick up some of this pumpkin spice potpourri, and I'm going to be using all of these items for a DIY. It smells really good. It really does smell like spice. So yeah, I'm going to use that for a DIY. I also picked up these pumpkin clips. So if you take a look, they do have little clips on them. I don't think I'm going to use the clips, but I did get these as well. Partial decor, partial DIY. So I picked up the red, and then I picked up these really nice, you know, very standard like burnt orange color. Okay, next was, I also picked up some floral foam. Can't go wrong. You always need this in your craft bin, and I do need it for a DIY that I'm doing. I also picked up these two picture frames, both 5x7s for DIYs that I want to do. First off, I am loving this faux wood that Dollar Tree is carrying these days. In the US, I saw somebody doing a haul, and they had this exact type of pattern, but it was like a chic bluish white, so it looked very country house like, and I'm hoping in Canada we get them. This is all we have for now from a wood perspective. So I picked up one wood, and I picked up two of the standard black because that's going to be for a Halloween DIY that I'm doing. So I picked up those two picture frames, and then some really, really random stuff. Pack of batteries. I always get my batteries from Dollar Tree because they're cheap. And if you have kids, you know how frequently they go through their toys and batteries. So I go to Dollar Tree. Also picked up some chocolate. I always talk about this. If it's the big like if it's the extra size chocolate, I will get them from Dollar Tree because it's worth it. But if it's going to be the regular size chocolate bar, I don't even bother because you can get them cheaper at Walmart, or you can get them cheaper at the dollar store if you live in Canada. So picked up some of the extra large chocolates. And then last thing I got, guys, is this Things That Go on Land. So I'll show you this. It's just a kid's book, and I thought this was a really good book from an educational standpoint. So if you have a child who's currently into pictures, so my daughter's a year and she's obsessed with just looking at pictures inside of books, I thought this was a really great picture book. So this is all things that go on land. They also had things that go up, so, or is it up or in the sea? I don't remember, but they had another one as well. Yeah, so I grabbed this book because I thought that she would really like that. So that is all that I got from this haul. Really quick. Again, this may get added onto another haul, but if not, I hope you guys enjoyed my really quick haul, and thank you so much for joining me today, and stay tuned for a lot more to come. I'm so excited to start doing Halloween hauls as well and sharing all those items with you. I will also be doing a video for Decorate With Me for fall and Halloween, so the fall will be coming out very soon. And yeah, subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much for joining, guys. Love and peace to you all. Bye.